नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिने इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। So on the occasion of Srila Prabhupada Vyas Puja, I would like to speak few words in glorification of Srila Prabhupada. Specifically today I would like to speak about his mood of surrender, his mood to serve his spiritual master's instruction. There is a song which Srila Prabhupada has written, which is there in Vaishnava song book, which is written by Srila Prabhupada. It says on the board, the ship Jaladuta on September 13, 1965. That was Friday, September. He wrote this prayer. And before writing this prayer, we can just see the mood of Srila Prabhupada. So I'm reading it out. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, Srila Prabhupada on a steamer bound for America wrote his ship diary. Today the ship is playing very smoothly. I feel today better, but I'm feeling separation of Sri Vrindavan and my lords Sri Govinda, Gopinatha, Radha Damodara. My solace is Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, in which I'm tasting the nectar of Lord Chaitanya's Leela. I have left Bharat Bhumi just to execute the order of Sri Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati in pursuance of Lord Chaitanya's order. I have no qualification, but I have taken up the risk just to carry out the order of His divine grace. I depend fully on their mercy. So far away from Vrindavan. So this was the mood in which Srila Prabhupada wrote this particular prayer. The name of the prayer is Krishna Taba Punya Habe Bhai. And in the first and the second verse of this prayer, Srila Prabhupada again glorifies and gives the credit of carrying on this mission to his spiritual master, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He says, Sri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who is very dear to Lord Gauranga, the son of Mother Sachi, is unparalleled in his service to Supreme Lord Krishna. He is that great saintly spiritual master who bestows intense devotion to Krishna at different places throughout the world. And again in the second stanza, he glorifies his spiritual master and he expresses how he can become the instrument to carry out the order of his spiritual master. By his strong desire, the holy name of Lord Gauranga will spread throughout all the countries of the Western world, in all the cities, towns, villages on the earth, from all the oceans, seas, rivers and streams. Everyone will chant the holy name of Krishna. And even in this song, he has added one Srimad Bhagavatam prayer. That is one of the words of Srimad Bhagavatam, the conversation between Prahlad Maharaj and Narsimhadev. This particular episode is when Narsimhadev appears and he wants to give benediction to Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj glorifies his spiritual master by saying, "My dear Lord, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, because of my association with material desires, one after another, I was gradually falling into the blind well full of snakes, following the journal populace. But your servant, Narada Muni, kindly accepted me as his disciple and instructed me how to achieve the transcendental position. Therefore, my first duty is to serve him. How could I leave his service?" So this was a conversation between Prahlad Maharaj and Narasimhadev. Here we can see how Prahlad Maharaj has given the position of, his spiritual master the position before the Lord. So following the footsteps of Mahajanas, Prahlad Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada is glorifying his spiritual master. And the mood means each and every instruction of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Srila Prabhupada tried to obey all that instructions. And on the occasion of Srila Prabhupada Vyas Puja, I would like to pray, I would like to ask for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada to bestow upon all of us, but the entire team of NICE, give little bit mood Srila Prabhupada had to serve his spiritual master. So please kindly give us that mood to serve our Shiksha Guru, Her Grace Bhagwati Kripa Mataji, and His Grace Krishnandan Prabhuji, and His Grace Kamal Lochan Prabhuji. So I ask for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada to kindly empower us so that we can follow the instructions, and not only follow the instruction, live up to the expectation of our Siksha Guru. So this is my offering, and the sankalpa for this year is I would like to cultivate my parents, means the nice team. Every week we conduct Bhagavad Gita class for children. So now I would like to cultivate parents also. I want Srila Prabhupada your mercy, so that proper words can come out to communicate with the parents, so that the parents also turn out to be a good devotees. So thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.